The HOVERAir X1 Drone is a revolutionary product that offers intelligent follow-me camera capabilities, tracking your every move at up to 15 miles per hour with advanced algorithms, perfect for capturing action-packed moments. Weighing in at just 125 grams, this drone is lighter than an iPhone, and its foldable design makes it incredibly portable and user-friendly, launching from your palm with a simple click. With pre-programmed flight paths and manual control mode, you can tailor your flight experience to perfection. And each battery supports approximately 20 intelligent flight paths, ensuring captivating content creation. The drone supports a maximum of 2.7K at 30 frames per second and 1080p HDR video shooting, with a triple stabilization system for smooth video effects and excellent fast motion capturing, perfect for recording beautiful moments. The HOVER X1 app allows for real-time previews of the drone's camera feed and manual control over flight paths, while 32 gigabytes of internal storage eliminates the need for SD cards and ensures privacy with locally stored content. Fully enclosed with safety guards, the drone provides an extra layer of protection, allowing for thrilling, close-range shooting while ensuring safety for both adults and children.